There's a lot of Midjourney version 8 testing going on right now, but same lack of control. So today I want to show you instead a fantastic trick how you can be inspired by Midjourney styles and then use them with full control and confidence inside of Nano Banana.
You all know how much I love a good hack, so let's get this heist started. What do we actually want to achieve? So we have, for example, this input style from Midjourney, and then we're creating a portrait of a woman that looks like this. As you can see, it's super close. You can, of course, do the same thing with designs. So here's another Midjourney style, and here's a tiger image that's resulting from that. As you can see, it's very similar. Here we have another example of this analog portrait of a woman. And we're going to turn this into this analog photo of the older man in the tiger suit. And as you can see, we can easily create other scenarios with the same guy in other situations because we have full control with Nano Banana. Here's the guy riding a motorcycle. As you can see, this style comes super close to the original. And of course, because we are using Nano Banana, we also have full control over the text. So that is amazing too. We have the full capabilities of Nano Banana. And remember him sitting down with the cat? Well, you can create alternative angles with Nano Banana Pro. And here's a little pro tip too. Write in the prompt 2x2 grid 16:9. And this will give you 4 images as a result instead of just 1 image per 1 image render. How amazing is that? You want to take an image like that created by Midjourney to create this very similar style. But how do we do that? And where do you get the pictures from? Well, first of all, you can sign up to Midjourney if you want to. You don't have to have a subscription because all we need is the Explore page. Now on the Explore page, there are plenty of pictures you could use as styles if you want to. That's already a good source. And then what you also will see up here is there's a tab called Styles. You want to click on that, and there you have a lot of different styles. Now these styles, they renew after some time because if you don't have a subscription, I don't have a subscription right now, they are limited. That's all we have is what they say here. But if you come back on another day, you're going to have more styles in here. But what you can do here is you click on that, you get 8 images. And then you can just click on that once more, right click, and this is going to save this individual image, not the full combination, which is good for you because then you can have this as an input for the image you want to create and have something that is close to the subject. Now, if you think, well, I need more than that, that is not enough for me. You can go, for example, on this website here, the midlibrary.io, where you have tons and tons of styles here that you can check out, 56 pages of them, as you can see, and you can click on that and then you will get the image you can see here, and you can also download that, of course, use that as an input. You can also go to Pinterest and look for --sref, or you can of course also go to X and search for --sref, and you will find thousands upon thousands of images. Now, how do we do that? You want to go to any kind of page that has Nano Banana Pro, because Pro is better in copying that style. And as you can see here with these 4 images, I will ask for an image of a cat. And it's not always going to be that, but that's okay, because in this case you get 4 images, so you can just select the one that worked for you. The process about all of that is very simple. So let's reset the settings here. In this case, I'm on Runway, but this works on any page that uses Nano Banana Pro. Up here, you want to upload an image, or with any kind of other interface, you upload the reference image. For example, let's take this portrait style here. And then the important part here is write a short prompt, not a super long detailed prompt, just a short prompt is good to not confuse the AI too much. And then just click on generate. On Runway, this usually has the auto format here. So if you want to have a different format, change that over. In my case, I leave it on auto and just click generate. And there you go, we already have the portraits of the lady. Now you can select any of those that you like most, that comes closest to the style that you want to have. But as you can see, this is pretty close to the input style. And because we're using Nano Banana, you also have full control over that. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'm now going to head out with Party Birdie to rock all night long. See you soon.